and welcome to Bee Swarm Simulator. My bro is next door doing something weird that I don't want you all to know because it's his story. That's what he's doing. Thanks, bro. You just told all the people in front of an audience that you're watching YouTube. Anyway, let's just continue. Right now. So, if you have recently known, someone interrupted us while we were doing our video, and it quite much have angered me, and now I'm quite angry. And you don't like Angry Ollie, don't you, fans? You don't like Angry Eevee Gamer. You don't like him. He turns into a spider and he gobbles you all up. He does. I'm not that horrible. Skip all that nonsense. I'll never do that to my fans. Unless if they turn evil one day. Why? I don't like that help button, bro. And why is there a flipping werewolf chasing after me? Hide in the tree. Hide in the tree. Ah. Gonna hide in the tree. Look at this. No, legit. Legit. Look at these. Miss me. Catch me if you can. Look at this. Since that happens, then look at this. Easy K, alright. Why did you get under there? Talking about under there. Let's see what's under there. Nothing, D. Just some dirty old tree standing out in the middle of nowhere. It's not in the middle of nowhere, Ollie. Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, scorpions. Oh, no. But at least it's got my quest. Quite cool, right? Oh, no, it's not cool. Ray! Oh. Come on! Can I tell you how you defeat the werewolf? Number 1, hide inside the tree. Hide behind a cactus or in a tree. And 2, wait for your bees to wreck him. That's how you easily destroy a werewolf. And another tip for you. Please could you stop watching my video? Because I've just got 9 times. 10 times. Blue flower time. Blue flower. choir. Well, I just got wasted. Who really cares? My bees are still with me. Mate, your carapace no use here. All you gotta do is stay a minute. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. Just stay. Sorry, just was singing. I just can't stop it. The baby bee had honey over her head. I'm like, oh, it's probably a hawk honey. But it's nothing. You trolled me, game. You will pay. This person has 3 honeybees. Strange. Brave bee, yeah. Quite good. Brave bee, that's my most recent bee. The brave bee is my most recent one. Get out. Alright. It takes a long time. But it can't speed up, sorry. Brave bee. It's got 30 energy, but it's got no abilities. It makes no sense, right? It should be like right forward, which does 3 more attack damage. Just tell me in the comment section what I with. You think the brave bee should have an ability? I have not. I've only got 1 basic bee. You know why? I've got to get those 2 core bees to separate and become a different one. I hope that one's becoming a ninja bee. That's what I hope. What? While we're waiting, shall I read some jokes? Well, quite gruesome. I'm gonna find a good one. I'm not who's first? You're the peas. You're the peas who? You're the peas trousers, so you better pay them for them. Not gonna tell you that word. Swearing. No. It's a G word, but I don't want to tell you. If you have any other G word, then I'm not gonna tell it to you. Because I don't want to swear in videos. OMG, why am I so OPP? So many. He has a rabbit! Where'd he go, folk? Get away! Get away! I'm on wreck! Get away! I'm on wreck! Get away! I'm on wreck! Okay, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Rage is right there. That's mine, bro. That's mine. That's mine, bro. Get off your property. Get off my property, I meant. Oh my gosh. Why do I keep saying these words wrong? I was right and you were wrong. I sang again. I think I should do a no singing challenge on one of my videos. Tell me if I should in the comment section below. Why is there so many honey appearing here? It's crazy how much honey appears sometimes. What? Hey, why is there so much honey spawning? Why is there so much honey spawning up here?
Guys, right time.
I'm recording.
Oh, you got that? Okay.
It was just my dad. Just my dad telling me to get off my computer. I'm like, bro. True story. I really don't want to say. I don't want to say goodbye right now. No. Anyway, since I don't want to say goodbye, guess what? I'm gonna do something else. Do you want to see me play some Booga Booga? It's so famous, this game. Booga Booga. I've never done Booga Booga on rap before, so I'm quite scared actually. Don't worry, but it's okay. I'll survive. I will survive Booga Booga. Don't worry. Oh, it's loading. I'm not gonna like this. No kill, no kill, no kill. No kill. Please no. This random guy just gave me a god bag today. Yeah. When my game loading. It's idiotic. This is so idiotic. Oh, I think that guy reset. I think that guy didn't die. Just someone. Finally, I'm in the game. Wow, 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 wow. And if I'm not a student, so baby, I don't know. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. Okay, bye-bye. Sorry, everybody, bye-bye. I really don't want to say bye, but bye-bye, everybody. Have a nice day.